Welcome. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at Highlife guitar praises, how to play your praises, how to do some filling, and then some simple licks that you can add to your gospel praises at church. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Adia koko bi na ewo ho na koko ya edi koko na atwere. Atwere no subscribe. Wahu miaso, umiaso a ubunse beda ne tuntum. Na adoma bia beda nche. No mi adoma no so. Umiaso ubunse atwere all eni dikan. No mi all no so. Eno ano video bia meye bia no me de to YouTube a wonsa beka. Na wasia. Fasa akonya wi so ne sua bibi wate. Entena hokwa. So, let's begin. All right, we are going to look at the praises at D. In our previous lesson, we did C sharp. If you missed the previous lesson, click on the link below here at the description. You'll find the lesson I'm talking about. Today, we are looking at D. We will look at the spaces in which you can do the fill in. And then some simple licks you can add to your praises guitar. That is our mission today. The song we are singing today is a Pentecostal song. Okay. Ye wudina ye asafu Yehovah Onyamitumfu ye wudina ye. This simple song. Let's try and do the sofa notations of the song. Then we'll do the finger picking. Then we will do the licks or the embellishment. Okay, so it's like this. So okay, we are looking at D major. Like the last time I taught you C sharp, D major, begin with your second finger at the third fret on the B string. Then you end on the fifth fret on the A string. So it's like this. So you will get your chord shape like this. Then you can play from the root to the root. Or you can also play downwards. Then come here. Alright. At the 10th fret. 10th fret on the E string is D. Good. So we are going to look at D, the A major like this. We will look at G major like this. I will not play the full board. I'll play this half. And then we will also look at A major like this. F sharp minor. We will look at B minor. We will also play E dominant 7th. E dominant 7th. That's all. Good. So let's look at the sophas of the song. So do do ti la so. Okay. So do do ti la so. So do do mi do re. Mi do mi re do ti la. Mi re do do ti la so do re ti do. Very slow. very simple like this. So we are going to add a metronome, then we will play at 80 beats per minute with the sofa notation. So we are adding the finger picking, but before then let's look at the chord progressions. Yeah, 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 woodina, yeah, asafu, yeah, oh, oh, yeah, me do. Okay, that is the chord progression. It is on the screen for you. So let's add the finger picking, and then you look at the feeling, the spaces where you can do the feeling. Yeah, yeah, okay, so look at my right, how I am picking the right hand side, how I am picking the thing. Look at it. Yeah, yeah, woodina, yeah. Very close. Papa. Yeah, oh, wah. Oh, nyami tufu. Yeah, yeah, woodina, yeah. Oh, nyami tufu. Yeah, yeah, woodina, yeah. We are looking at some of the spaces you can do the fill in. Okay, so like this, you can see that there is 3 beats. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. This space we we are leaving it here. You can do the filling over here. Okay, so like this. Okay, to fill the space over there, the length or the duration over there. Okay, let's do it once again. Now a basis super and I'm feeling song. Yenye bio. Now lake na me boy yes. Okay. So latido again. So latido. And I'm there share space near hono. Song D so do la. Okay, oh baby I share. Now they are filling space now. Okay, yes so. There's baby could be a bit a Sunday let be ashe. So what you say? Back from you. Then you another space here. You did filling be a bedding. Lake be a bed show. Okay, you share. Space now, so we do the fill in over there to fill the gap. Okay, that's how it is. So this lake, that lake way. Let's stop the metronome. Let us stop the metronome. Okay, so this lick me bo we me bo A major. Me bo A major no. Ana me bo like this, okay? Nti me de mensa me third finger e to hwa na me bo. Ana me sam bo me A major again. So nti that is how we are going to, or we are looking at it in this perspective. You do the finger picking, you identify the space, the gap between the note, between the note, first note and then the second note. Then you do a filling, then you continue. So we started like this. Good. I know up to this point you are following what I am doing. Okay. And before say, and yet dako, and I'll bet me a try as you frau. What you say? You kono kakra nkankra. Bit by bit, we are moving or we are getting there. Okay. So perhaps today I may not complete all the legs I want to show you or I want to teach you, but take these 2 legs and then the spaces I have taught you, pick a particular song and identify the spaces, then apply your own leg, design your own leg, okay? And yes, searching china me na me name guitar bossing upia there be me chire ma dwen enti won so guitar no kutawa unya hu space na you can create your leg and then fix it in. What you say minia enti yenye kakra bi so ebere nti na yen fancy ya ye besan abe toa so bio nti yen hwe de yesua no so far yen hwe de yesua besi sabre. Good. This is what we have learned so far. Up to this time, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Nia subscribe na said ye besie me bo anonso ye dey boa what you see subscribe now also share videos no so share the videos. All right, So we will meet next time for the next part of this same topic, how we are going to complete the feelings and the other stuffs. So we will meet next time. Thank you very much.